Don't say I have stressed. Say I am stressed. Don't say I didn't say nothing. Say I didn't say anything. Don't say I am not agree with you. Say I don't agree with you.